The new option, available separately for each type of designed installation, heating, cooling, water supply, sewage, allows you to generate a list of elements for the entire project, separately for each story, or even separately for each apartment. Thanks to this, it is possible to meet the diverse requirements of investors regarding the type of installation, systems and components used, by preparing a separate material specification, and then a price offer. In the presented example, different solutions of the heating system were used in each of the apartments, which was reflected in the list of elements generated separately for each apartment.